In today's day and age, women have a variety of ways to track their menstrual cycles and fertility. One of the most popular and convenient ways is to use a mobile app. Developing a mobile app for tracking menstrual cycles and fertility is something that any woman can do with the right knowledge and tools. There are a few key elements to consider when developing a mobile app for tracking menstrual cycles and fertility. The first is to decide what type of app you want to make. There are two main categories of apps: those that track menstrual cycles and those that track fertility. Depending on the needs of the user, different apps can be created to meet those needs. The next step is to decide which platform to use. There are a variety of platforms available, such as iOS, Android, and Windows. Depending on the user's preferences, a different platform may be better suited for their needs. For example, Android may be better suited for those who want a more interactive experience, while iOS may be better for those who just want to track their cycles. Once a platform has been chosen, the next step is to design the user interface. This is a crucial step, as the user interface should be easy to use and understand. If the user interface is confusing, users will be less likely to use the app. Furthermore, it is important to keep in mind that different users may have different needs. So it is important to be able to customize the app to meet those needs. The next step is to develop the code for the app. This is where the technical skills come into play. Depending on the platform chosen, different programming languages may be required. It is important to ensure that the app is secure and does not contain any malicious code. Finally, the app must be tested. This is important to ensure that the app is working as expected and that any bugs are corrected. Testing should be done on both a simulator and on actual devices to ensure that the app works on both platforms. Developing a mobile app for tracking menstrual cycles and fertility is not an easy task. But with the right knowledge and tools, it is definitely possible. By following the steps outlined above, any woman can create an app that meets her needs and helps her to better understand her menstrual cycles and fertility.